met my husband Norberto when I was in Italy. I'd already given up my career and I tore my calf muscle. And I didn't have a physio, I didn't have a team or whatever, and somebody says, oh, there's a wee Argentinian doctor in a private clinic, he's good. So I went there, £300 it cost me the bad. After a couple of sessions or whatever with him, he wasn't looking for anything, he'd just come over from Argentina, and I had just given up my career and whatever. But anyway, we kind of clicked. We got married when I was 44. I always remember we got married on Christmas Eve, so I remember the day. I didn't feel well one day, and I'd run a marathon, I'd run for 2.5 hours, and he said, I said, I actually don't feel well today. He says, no, you're off your head going out running under the sun still. But here I was pregnant, so that was it. So my daughter Valentina was born. So I always remember about a couple of days before my date was due, and I felt like a stranded whale and big belly the usual. So I went down to the beach. It was the winter and there was a bus football on the beach. So I stayed to play keeper, but anybody that plays football, you know it's difficult to play with a bus ball. So I was playing keeper, I couldn't see it because of my belly. But the sensation was still wow.